Guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I am here because I want to invite you for the Christmas in July open collaboration. Guys, I already shared the thumbnail, the flyer in my community tab. So you can share it and everybody's name or the host are in the flyer, okay? But I'm still going to leave everybody's host names in the description box in this video. Guys, so this is the Christmas in July. So you can decorate anything, any space in your home. You could do a tier tray, a table scape, a kitchen vignette. The sky is the limit. Okay, this is a freestyle. So you choose what you want to decorate as long as you do something for Christmas. The only difference is there is in July. Simple, not a big deal. So, guys, okay, this is for July 11th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And by the way, when I say anything goes, even DIY, okay? So, just have fun. Just have fun. Make it your own. And you're going to use the hashtag Christmas in July 2026. I will share the playlist the day before to my community tab so you can upload your video. And if you have any issues uploading your video to the playlist or you do not know how, just send me a message through Instagram or Facebook Messenger. You find me by my same name, Deborah Cabasa, and I will gladly add you to the playlist. It is that simple, okay? Please watch everybody's video from beginning to end. Leave a comment and subscribe to their channel if you are not subscribed. Guys, we put a lot of our time in creating these videos for your enjoyment. So please be kind. Don't be leaving nasty comment and watch the video. Everyone and anyone is welcome to participate. That's it. Just make sure that you link all the hosts in your description box of your video and follow rules and regulations. That's it. Simple. And guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.